Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Datadog Inc. And the good thing about this stock has made a fresh breakout. Okay, so here you have your resistance at around $98. So now the stock is trading above that. So this is a very positive trend that the stock has indeed makes a breakout above $99 on the upside. So let us just analyze the trend and look at the things which one could see in this particular script. So first you have your levels like that, support level, and you have your trend something like this. Okay, if you just make a trend line or line like this, what you will have is something called a sync. Okay, here you will find some synchronicity in the line and you will see that how things have shaped up. Now the trend is pretty simple here. Okay, so understand this, you have your support at or big support at $79 on the downside. So now your first support will be 99, and if it falls below that then you have 17, and actually it's in between 79 to 81, but I'm just considering the big support at 79. So below 79 the trend will break and there will be no position hold below this level $79. Now because this particular stock has made a breakout, we will definitely think about the upside range or upside target or probability of upside in this particular script. So for that what we can do is probably find out the support level and try to draw a trend for that. So you have your support level and now you have your trend here. So now with this breakout the stock should go towards 116 on the upside. Okay, so 116 will be the first target or the first resistance which the stock could see on the upside probably in the days to come. Now this is the first thing. If the stock sustain and makes a breakout above 116 117, then what are we looking here? In that case we are staring at a target which will be in between $146 and $191 on the upside. Okay, so this is what we looks at, that is a target which will be in between $146 and $191. If the stock sustain and makes a breakout above 116 and 117 on the upside and sustain over this level. So there are two big things which probably should happen in the days as well as in the months to come with this breakout. So the first condition is as the breakout happen, the stock must sustain above $99, 99 or $100. Now the second target will be 116 if the support level hold, and if it makes a breakout above 116 and 117, and if this level hold, then we are looking at 146 in between a range of 146 and 191 in the days or probably in the months to come. Also, it is not like if something is going up you should not consider the risk. You must consider risk all the time and place your support and resistance levels accordingly. This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.